Hey guys, this is Amir from Centurion Lightning Kicks, CenturionMSC.com. Have a very sweet Kernel blade here, unboxing of the Kernel folder. If your department policy does not allow for fixed blades on your duty belt, or if you're just not comfortable, you want something that's a little bit more concealed, this is the way you're going to get it from Kernel Blades here. As you can see, foldable, ambidextrous clip, strong side, support side, depending on where you want to carry it. Has a nice quick deployment here. Could be held traditional Kernel blade style or a modified karambit style. I just really think it's a great idea, great alternative. I personally prefer the fixed blade Kernel, but again, if your department does not allow for fixed blades on your duty belt, this would definitely be my alternative choice. Check them out, kernelblades.com. I think you'll be very happy.